How to disable Hey Google on Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Hey Google on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And here, once you have opened the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled Google. Now here in this section at the top right, simply tap on all services to see the full list. And from here, simply scroll down and tap on Search Assistant and Voice. And then after that, tap on Google Assistant. And once you do that, on the new page, simply tap on the voice match. And here you'll see the option to toggle Hey Google off. So just tap that switch and boom, it's disabled. Now even if you say Hey Google, it won't respond anymore. And if you want to take it a step further and remove any of your personal voice data, you can just scroll down a bit and tap on Delete Voice Model. And this will remove the voice match profile that Google created to recognize your voice, and you can also choose to remove it from all devices connected to your account. And that's it. That's how you can disable Hey Google on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.